Hello, good morning to all. Today we have to study about the understanding of energy, which is the topic covered in the basic of mechanical engineering, the first and second sem subject. The topic to be covered in this the video, the first topic is energy, second is source of energy, third is use energy and energy challenges. There is the many more students have the question is that what is the energy. Most of the students don't know about the energy. What is the energy? About that, the energy is a one kind of the sources which can doing work. The source of energy. What are the major sources of energy? How our uses of energy has changed in time. What are the major sources? The major sources, we can say that the sunlight is the major source of energy, which is the available from the natural resources and anytime available. Also we can say that is a renewable energy. Wind energy also available from the nature. Tide energy, that's all are the major sources of energy and renewable energy. How our uses of energy change in time. Energy sources are changing times is that convertible of the one energy to another energy. Energy use, to what purpose energy is used for. That means we have to use the energy in many more conversation. We can say that there are two sunlight, there is a light energy. We have to convert into the electric energy by the solar cell. Then after the electric energy we have to convert into the mechanical works, means the energy conversion from light to electric, electric to mechanical. Challenges. What major energy challenges we are facing? Then here are many more challenges. We cannot say that the all of the energy we have to convert into the useful work. Source of energy, first is the nature. Energy is movement or the possibility of creating movement. Means that the energy is a one type of the movement or possibility to creating movement. Exist as a potential, store and kinetic form. Here is the example is given for the movement or possibility of creating movement. Exist as potential. What is the potential energy? We said that the potential energy is the storage in the dam water or collected dam water. If you have to consider any object from the earth level at some height, that's we have called a height. If we have to consider any object from the sea level, that's called a datum height. If we have to move object from datum height to another height, there will be put some energy. That's kind of the energy we say that the potential energy. Then after, the energy which convert into the kinetic energy. If the dam water are passed through any pipe through turbine, the energy is converted potential energy to kinetic energy. Means the gravitational force where is the affected. Conversion of potential to kinetic movement stats. Ordered mechanical energy or disordered thermal energy. Ordered mechanical energy means we can change the mechanical work into the variable speed, variable work. That means ordered energy. In disordered energy, thermal energy we cannot control in our sense. That's called disordered energy. Temperature can be preset as a level of disordered energy. Temperature also then disordered energy. Major tendency is to move from order to disorder entropy. Whenever we transfer energy one forms to another forms, that's the effect that the first law of thermodynamics. Energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be only transferred one forms to another form. The major tendency is move from order to disorder, and that's its created entropy. Source of energy. The importance of that, the source of energy is human activity are dependent on the uses of survival form and source of energy. Dependent on the uses of survival means that we have to walk from one place to another places. That's time we have to require some energy move from one place to another place. That's the energy we have to convert it in from our body. The body can store energy from the food. That means natural source of the energy. Energy demands increase with economic development. Economic development means that we have to facilitate technology, facilities. That's are all the we have to consider in economic development. Urban cities, urbanization in the city, that's all are economic development. And day by day the economic development are increasing, so energy demand always day by day increasing. The world's power consumption is about 12 trillion watts in a year, with 85 percentage of the energy created by fossil fuel. We have to using in our home as a electricity, which by the way fan, lamp, fridge, air conditioning system, that's all are component use electricity. The all our world required 12 trillion watts per year. The thermal power plant are created 80% of the power from the fossil fuel, and with 85% of the fossil fuel we have to use to produce a electricity. Source of energy, we have to continue that. This is the energy. Energy is a non-renewable energy and renewable energy. There is two types of the energy: renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Non-renewable energy is a chemical energy, which like as a fossil fuel we have to convert into the combustion, and combustion give to a heat. Secondary non-renewable energy is nuclear, uranium, fission of atom. At the nuclear power plant we also give at the electrical energy by the nuclear power plant. This is the process is fission. Renewable energy, chemical, muscular oxidation process means naturally biogas, we have to convert it from the biomass. Nuclear geothermal conversion, this nuclear is not a uranium thorium types. Nuclear means geothermal energy we have to get from the earth level. Fusion and fusion of hydrogen, gravity, tide energy, hydraulic, kinetic energy. Indirect solar means biomass, photosynthesis process, wind, pressure difference. We can get the wind velocity and use by windmill we have to creating a energy as like as a electric. Direct solar energy from photovoltaic cell we convert to sunlight into the electric light, and electric too we have to use in many more applications. Source of energy, we have to continue that. Energy transition, shift in the source of energy that satisfy the need of an economy and society. In the modern world we have to require many more facility to live a life. Then after that we can say as a more and more electricity we have to using. This the our demand, and day by day demand of the electricity will increasing and increasing. Linked with economic and technological development, we have to link our economical requirement to technological to reduce the electricity uses linked with ability and or remaining energy sources. That is the most important point. Link with ability and or remaining energy sources. Our fossil fuel in the world is limited source, so we have to save that or day by day decreasing of energy uses. Next is there from low efficiency to high efficiency. You have to manufacture that type of the component which have a higher efficiency and low consumption of the fossil fuel, that we have to get the maximum output and save the fossil fuel for upcoming future, from solid to liquid and then gas, wood, coal, oil, natural gas and hydrogen. These are the types of fossil fuel we have to available from the nature, but that's all are non-renewable energy. That's the we have to use one time, then after the we cannot recover. Energy uses energy to we have to transfer into the useful work, then after the useful work we have to modify it, means as per requirement of the nature or as per requirement of the company, domestic uses, any type of uses, we have to modify the work into two portions. First is appropriation and processing, and second is transfer. After the conversion of energy to work, we have to modify it, that's energy. Appropriation of processing means as per demanded industry or as per demanded person we have to process them. Secondary side we have to transfer one to another. The energy and work. Energy provide works, that we have to see that energy converted into the useful work. Technology enabled to use energy more efficiently and more purpose. There are the many technology are available for more efficient. We have to uses the less fossil fuel and gives a higher output as compared to older generation. Traditionally, most of the work was preferred by the people. Many efforts have been done to alternative work. Alternative work means that we have to using the renewable energy. There are the alternative option of the uses of energy because of the renewable energy and freely available from the nature, creating more work performed by the machine and the use of even more energy. We have to develop the that type of the machine which give a higher efficient rate work as compared to input level using energy. The energy used at a different level. Modification of the environment, appropriation and processing. Last is transfer. First, the modification of the environment, making space suitable for human activity. We have to make a specific space where we have to human as a work. Cleaning land or agriculture. More and more agricultural land we have to develop. That's the balance the greenhouse effect and CO2 O2 balance. That means we have to balance our all our ecosystem. Modifying the hydrography means irrigation process. We have to control the irrigation process, not reject the any wastewater to any place. Establishing the distribution infrastructure and roads. Well developed infrastructure, well developed residency, that are the also the energy uses parts. Constructing and conditioning temperature at light unclosed structure. We have to using air conditioning system, refrigeration system. These are the most application you have to use for the cooling purpose, but the outside of the system it's creating a many more heat to producing a cooling effect. There are the modification of environments example. Appropriations and processing, extraction of resources, agriculture from and raw material. This is the one type of the example given here to best is that biogas and biomass process. We have to collect in the all human and animal dung wasted collected into the one box, and it's put into the digestion process. After the digestion process, it's created methane gas that we have to call as a biomass. This is the best examples. Modifying resources means manufacturing process we have to modify for using as a low energy consumption, disposable of waste, peeling, decontaminating and burning. Next, transfer, movement of freighting people and information. We have to give some information about the energy, what is energy, how can we use, how can we save our environment, we have to balance our ecosystem. That's we have to information give to the people. And tune the special inequalities in the local of resources by overcoming distance. We have to maintaining overcoming distance and tunes. We have to save the sum of energy which was rejected by the human. Growing the share of transportation in the total energy spent. Many more trees we have to show in the side of the road. That's also balance the CO2, NO2, SOx which were the coming out from the silencer of the vehicle and save our oxygen and auto balance in the energy level. Next is that energy challenges. Energy supply, providing supply to sustain growth and requirements. A modern society depends on the stable and continuous flow of energy. The modern development or urbanization system day by day uses of energy is increasing in order. The demand side is always increasing, but the fossil fuel are limited source on the earth. The energy demand and generated more efficient device, transportation, industrial process and appliance. That's we have to produce a energy efficient device, so can that we have to save more and more fuel for upcoming future. Environments, provide environmentally safe sources of energy, growing through the energy transition from solid to gas. That's the main advantages of the we have to protect our environment. Thank you much.